Eventually coming with me. You got that high. Till the club gone, you can drink. You friends saying we don't care what they think.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna change the filter on a C300 Mercedes-Benz 2013. So here's a look at the engine bay. So for you to take it out, you gotta get this housing out and that housing bolt over there. You need a star ratchet set. Lift it up, take these 1, 2, 3, and then get the filter out of this thing. So let's get started.
Her can be in here. My voice will go up the sky. What? Where? You want to see? Ah! You heard it? Hello!
All right, you're gonna need a T25, an adapter, and a wrench to move this unit up by clipping that off and taking that off, but for some reason it just won't move up. So instead of just playing it the hard way, I'm gonna just screw those off and see if I can slide it up.
Hold it steady right there. Don't move it. Hold it. 2 hands. 2 hands. Hold it steady. Yep, thank you.
All right, I'm taking the filter out. Videotape me. Gotta figure out how to take it down.
What's this?
Thank you, baby. All right, this is the new filter. It's a new filter, SCP. Just put it in like that.
What?
And nice and clean. All right, we'll put it in. Now we screw all these parts back up.
We have to let him move his head.
Quiet on the set.
Go on the set. Why saying that?
Because you yelling.
Quiet on the set. You want to see the dog camera?
You got it all lined up, baby? All right. Hold on. Let me see. Now we're putting this back on. Just clips right back into place.
Why do you need a shoe for?
So the air could screws, put it back into place. Everything should be lined up. Make sure you got the thing. Everything should be lined up. What was that? Move. All right, I don't forget to clamp this back into place.
That's why you have two fingers and two ashes. Come on. You want to see me? Look, sissy. Watch me. Watch.
You're officially coming with me. You got that.